In 2025, the world didn't lose these animals. We realized they were already gone. After decades of searching, tracking, hoping, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, known as the IUCN, officially declared several species extinct. Not because they vanished overnight, but because no one had seen them for decades. No tracks, no calls, no proof of life. And sometimes, silence is the final confirmation. Today we remember them. The first loss. A tiny one. The Christmas Island shrew. A small insect-eating mammal from a remote Australian territory known as Christmas Island. It lived quietly in leaf litter. Fast, nervous, almost invisible. The last confirmed sightings were decades ago. Researchers searched. Traps were set. Surveys conducted. Nothing. In 2025, it was officially declared extinct. Not a predator, not a giant. Just a small creature playing its part in an island ecosystem. And now, that role is empty. The next loss had wings. The slender-billed curlew, a migratory shorebird. Elegant, long curved bill. It once traveled thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds. The last reliable sighting? 1995, imagine that! An entire generation has grown up without ever seeing this bird in the wild. For years, bird watchers scanned wetlands across Europe and Asia, hoping to spot one. But hope eventually meets reality. In 2025, it was declared extinct. No final goodbye. No preserved call. Just absence. 3 species, all small marsupials. All gone. First, the marl. Then the southeastern striped bandicoot. And the nullarbor barred bandicoot. Bandicoots aren't famous. They're not lions, not whales, not eagles. They dig. They forage. They turn soil. They spread seeds. They are ecosystem engineers. When species like this disappear, it's not loud. It doesn't trend, but the land changes. These bandicoots vanished long before social media, before modern wildlife documentaries. Predation from introduced species. Habitat loss, ecological imbalance. By the time modern conservation efforts matured, they were already ghosts. Declared extinct in 2025, 3 small marsupials, 3 missing threads in Australia's ecological fabric. Not all extinctions happen on land. The Conus lugubris, a species of cone snail. Small, beautiful, deadly to prey. Cone snails use venom to capture fish and marine life. Some species' toxins have even inspired medical research. But this one hasn't been seen in decades. The ocean is vast. But even in its enormity, species can vanish unnoticed. In 2025, it too was declared extinct. A marine predator erased from the reef. When the IUCN declares a species extinct, it isn't casual. It follows years, sometimes decades, of surveys. No verified sightings, no genetic evidence, no hidden populations found. Declared extinct means, despite extensive searches in known and expected habitats, there is no reasonable doubt that the last individual has died. That's heavy. It's not drama. It's science acknowledging finality. And sometimes the species was gone long before we made it official. These aren't the only animals humanity has lost. The dodo, the passenger pigeon, the Tasmanian tiger, the woolly mammoth. Some vanished centuries ago. Some in the last 100 years. But extinction is not just history. It is ongoing. And every declaration is a reminder conservation isn't optional. It's urgent. In 2025, we didn't just update a list. We closed chapters. The Christmas Island shrew, the slender-billed curlew, 3 Australian bandicoots, a cone snail, species that once breathed, hunted, migrated, lived, now remembered only in records. The question isn't just what we've lost. It's what we're about to lose next, and what we're willing to protect. Thank you for watching. We would love to have you part of our animal lover community. Please subscribe. Subscribing helps to support the work on this channel, as well as helps to preserve the importance and appreciation of the extinct animals. Thank you, and as always, take care.